Namaste. Welcome to ABBS and ABBS School of Management. It's an autonomous institution. Being an autonomous institution, we have the privilege of introducing the certificate programs as well as the industry related relevant programs which will help the students for the industry ready. So, as a part of this, I would like to introduce today the resource person CMA Raveendranath Kaushik. Sir, welcome you to the program, sir. Sir is the resource person for our recently conducted GST program, and we shall hear from him about the GST program as well as the CMA program. So, sir, how the GST certificate program will be relevant to our students and helpful for the students of post graduation as well as the undergraduate students? Please explain, sir.
Okay, thank you for having me here. This is the 30th certification program what the Bangalore chapter of Cost Accountant is organizing on behalf of ICMAI chapter. So, this certification program has been designed in order to benefit the students community, because nowadays we have most of the students studying this as a part of academics. But the difference between what the certification program the institute is launched and what students are studying at their academics is the practical aspects. So, the first and foremost thing is this certification program is 30 hours program which will be taught by a industry expert or a practicing cost accountant who shares lot of his practical exposure to students. So, it is one sort of where we are creating awareness to the students in terms of the practical aspects of GST law and how it is done in the real time. So, you can directly get the inputs from an industry person or a practicing person on lot of new case studies or new notification and circulars which will be rolled out, and how this can be used in the development of the students. Because most of the time what we study in academics is the syllabus part which has been given by some syllabus authorities, and that will be restricted only to know some of the basic concepts of GST law. But the practical aspects are something different, because it is an indirect tax. There will be frequent amendments to the rules, frequent notifications and circulars which will be issued by the authority, and students needs to be updated with that level of knowledge also. So, the institute has come up with this 30 hours of certification program keeping that in mind, wherein it wants to educate people and also bring in the latest changes in the minds of the people apart from the academics which teaches more of the syllabus part.
So, where this GST certification can be used?
Yeah, this is a very good question actually. You have some other question? Supplementary question to it?
Yeah.
Okay. See, this certification course whatever we have given, right, at the end of completion of the 30 hours of certification you will be assessed through examination, an online examination. So, once you are done with the examination, then you will be the successful candidates will be awarded the certificates, and that certificate can be used if you want to set up your own practice. Let us say you are in the second year of your degree and you want to earn some income. So, you can use the certificate to practice to file the income to file the GST returns, or to get the GST registration done for your clients, or any small type of activities where you can support your income at the time of studies also. So, it acts as an additional income generation at the time of study, and this certificate can be used there also. And apart from that, if you want to go for an internship in industry or at the time of applying for a job, this certificate definitely has some value which will be considered, because this certificate is issued by a professional body recognized under an act of parliament. So, this has a various level of implication, both at the time of when you are studying in the college, you can make use of it in order to practice, or when you have completed your study and when you want to go to industry for a job or an internship or something like that, at that point of time also the certificate acts as a value for your course. So, those are the dual advantage what you can pursue from this particular certificate.
Thank you very much, sir. And we are happy to share that ABBS is also having a study center, and we are introducing the CMA Professional Course for our graduates as well as the postgraduate students. So, please can you give the insight about the CMA program also, because since you are coming from the institute only, you will be able to give the relevant information to our students also.
Okay, it's very good to know that you have started with the integrated program of CMA along with your other courses. To tell about CMA course, we are a statutory body under an Act of Parliament. So, the Act was passed in 1959 called as Cost and Works Accountant Act. So, we came into existence since 1959 onwards. So, today we are one of the largest cost and management accounting body in Asia and the second largest in the world. So, we have almost around 5 lakh students who are appearing for this exam all over world, and we have more than 1 lakh members who have been already passed this particular course and who are into practice and who are working in various industries. So, in India we have around 111 chapters and 4 regional council and 1 headquarters in Kolkata, and we have around 10 overseas centers also from where this course has been launched. So, since this is a professional course, after completion of this course definitely you can have 2 options with you. One is to join industry in the mid-level management, or you can start your own independent practice. So, this course gives you the advantage of using the sign and signature, seal and signature. We have been recognized under various acts like Cooperative Society Auditors Act. Also we have been registered to practice as a cooperative auditors, and we have been also given the authority to do cost audits under Companies Act. So, likewise we have a lot of other areas also which has been exposed where our cost accountants are practicing in various areas. It can be like insolvency and bankruptcy code, or valuation, or now inventory valuation under Income Tax Act. So, there are a lot of other areas where a cost accountant can do the independent practice. So, there is a job which has been assured for you. So, you can think of either getting into an industry, working in various mid-level management role, or you can pursue CMA as a career where you can start independent practice on your own. So, there are vast number of opportunities which are arising for professionals in the coming days, since the government is talking about the Atmanirbhar Bharat, where India wants to see itself to become one of the largest economy in the next 25 years. So, definitely there are a lot of opportunities which are opening up in the business front. So, once there is a opening up in the business front, definitely there will be a lot of demand for even professionals also. So, I think this is the apt time where the institute has taken up a very good initiative of starting this course in this institute. So, I really congratulate them and also thanks them for creating such an opportunity for the youngsters to take up the professional course. And trust me, this is a course which can be done along with your graduation, because almost the same subjects are there what you are studying in the graduation. Same subject will be there in the syllabus of your professional course also. Only thing is the approach is something different which you need to focus upon, and definitely by the end of your 21st year you can have a graduate BCom degree or a BBA degree or any bachelor degree plus a professional degree along with you. So, it is a assured job market for you once you complete your 21 years.
Sir, can our post-graduation student also can take up this examination?
Yes, of course, yes.
At what level they can be able to take it?
Yeah, actually the course is designed into 3 different phases. One is foundation, the second is intermediate level, and the third is final. So, foundation course is basically for students who have passed +2, that is 12th standard. So, they are eligible to appear for foundation course. So, all your undergraduate students who are pursuing their graduate in first, second, third year, they can opt for this foundation course. So, once they clear the foundation, they will be eligible for intermediate. So, regarding the postgraduate students, since they have already completed their degree, they can directly enroll into intermediate. There is no need for them to appear for foundation course. So, they can directly enroll for intermediate course. So, intermediate course has 8 papers, that is broken up into 4 and 4. there are stages, first stage and second stage, which has 4 papers. So, either the student can take all the 8 papers together and write the exams, or he can opt for 4 papers of one stage and 4 papers of another stage in regular intervals. So, once intermediate level they have completed, they can join, they are eligible to join directly for the final semester course. So, once they have completed final semester course, they become the grad CMAs, then with a relevant experience they can opt for associate member of our institute.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving us the complete information on the CMA program as well as the certificate program. I hope all our students will be getting benefit of it, and thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, madam. It's my pleasure. Thank you.